haven't seen you in like years. You guys! Hi! How are you? Good. Can I have a hug? Hi! Oh my goodness! You're so big! Hi! And we just picked up Nora's medication from the local post office. And we have to head back to the campground to drop it off to prevent moisture from getting inside, because it is a scorcher out there right now, ladies and gentlemen. And then we'll finally head out. It is 2:30 and we have plenty of time to do a 30-minute hike with 3 kiddos. Dustin's sister is also coming with us, Hannah, and we are super excited she's with us.
So my little sister Hannah came to visit us down in Moab on my birthday, and the next day we decided we were going to go to Arches National Park again because it's so awesome and so much to do. So we have the America the Beautiful Pass, so we get in for free already, and we have car seats. We don't have any more room, so she had to drive herself. We thought it would be like $7 or $8 for her to get in, but we get up to the gate and it was $30, and we didn't want her to have to pay $30 to get in because we don't know if our kids are going to be good or not. So are we going to be there for an hour, 5 hours? We have no idea. So I talked to the park ranger and I was able to work some fancy financial footwork, and I got her in for free. And so big props to that park ranger. She was the bomb.org. Whoa! Look at Ruru go up the hill. Whoa! How is it, Ez? How's the climb?
Good.
Pretty easy climb, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Okay. Well, Arches, you've done it again. This place is amazing. Man, I wish I would have brought my skateboard here too.
You don't have a skateboard.
You guys, if I would have brought my skateboard, check this out. This would have been awesome.
You know nothing about skateboarding. I don't think that would be awesome. You get 2 inches down and you fall because you hit a... I know a good dentist though.
This is day 2 at Arches. We're on our way to Delicate Arch, and everybody needs a break. Everyone's too hot and tired, so I think we're gonna head back to the car. Go us.
We'll try it again next year.
Skateboard would have been awesome coming down here, but even better now would be a ski lift to get me back out of this. Right here, I just climbed out of that. It took me like an hour. Oh, is she stuck? Oh, look at that power. Wow. So I know all the shortcuts around here, and the kids are loving that fact. Check it out. Look at this. Shortcut with a view.
Go down here.
I don't know. Do you think you can do it?
You try.
It might be slick. So my last shortcut, we had to double back, so it ended up being a long cut. They got way ahead of us.
Which one over there?
All right.
You one with me?
Yep.
Ready? Teddy, go. Ready? Go. It's much faster than...
I am so glad that we saw Delicate Arch. Cannot wait to show that footage.
Yeah.
I feel like it's not a problem that I have to go uphill. Like, I'm not as out of breath as I used to be.
Tip number 1, check to see how far it is to where you're trying to go before you take 2 little kids that are screaming and crying. There they are. Very cool. This is one of the places that me and Sarah were 7 years ago, and we're really excited about this one to show the kids. It's super cool.
I can't say it, okay?
Okay.
Ready, set, go! Turn! I know you didn't do like that.
Whoa. Whoa. Don't go away. Let's see.
I got my can!
It's just a little tiny cut. Look. You're gonna forget all about it once we get in here. Look, it's shady. Ooh. All right, we got smart. We brought a first aid kit with us on the hike, and we need it. Little Ruru fell.
Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna clean it, okay?
No.
We'll just dab it. It's not gonna hurt.
All right, you wanna lead the way?
Yeah? Let's stay on these.
Ooh. Should I go up the ramp? Easy peasy, huh?
Oh, it's slippery though. That is slippery.
Oh, look how cool it is in here.
Sandy. It's so sandy. Sand. Sand. Hi, Willow. So sandy.
Welcome to Pandora.
May you already get in sandy a lot. And so much sand.
Oh, you love sand.
Sand is so
Holy amazing.
and smushy.
What?
It's smushy sand.
Phew. What do you think? You like it?
Oh, the kids are getting ready. It's beach day
Hey.
2.0.
Was it worth it to come here?
All right, there's so many trails. I'm gonna go find a cool trail. As far as I go.
What you doing over here?
Oh, just checking the place out. You know me.
tiny. It's sandy here.
Uh-huh. Is it awesome?
Yeah, I just want to get my hands sandy.
Go ahead.
Sand. My feet?
Oh, but you found it, Ruru. Oh, Ezzy. You're covered in
Oh.
sand.
Oh, wow.
I'm
I
white.
feel like I never have any photos of
Well, I could put my glasses on.
I'll take them.
Yes, beach baby.
Look at the mountain.
Wow. She wants to go back. I don't know what just happened. She literally oh my gosh.
They think they're real funny. I'm not a big fan of feet, and we're walking around barefoot in this sand, and then they said, think of how many people's feet have been on this, and they're laughing their heads off about it.
Hi, lizard. Huh, he looked at me. Hi, lizard. Hi, lizard. Hi, lizard. Hi, lizard. It's a magical place. So cool.
What do you think? You like it?
We never saw this place before. Just want to take you here forever.
Ooh, it's a long time.
What do you think of it?
This sand is good, Mommy, and it's slick. See, Mommy?
Yeah.
Not that good for me. Do it again, Mommy. Okay, Mommy?
This is a natural sand water slide. It's very fast.
No. Not coming down. Hey! Mommy!
Whoa, she slid.
Michael climb up one more time.
All right, one more and then we gotta go. On to the next one. Another arch. All right, Reagan, you gotta sing?
It's the day of the burn. It's the day of my I'm a congregate just a lie.
That's all.
Hey, Michael, day, alright. Right. I can't come break the tie. Hey, Michael, break the
Oh, Ezra, do you always take the low road?
No.
Okay, this is at least a mile. Oh, stop. For real? You have to hike your stuff back there?
It must be. Big gross feet.
Yoinky doinky.
Oh, skateboard.
Looks like two lions kissing. It reminds me of our first kiss.
our wedding day. At the altar.
Come down here. There's a bridge across. It's a little one though.
What do you think of the arch?
We'll stand in the shade. Right here. Do you want to sit down on this rock? You can do it.
Just sit.
It is good. They're everywhere, aren't they?
You're just going really slow. We can go faster than that.
Here we are, getting back to the family truckster. Good thing, because we are pretty much out of water for the day. This is Sand Dune Arch. All right, these trails can be very tricky. You just really got to know how to negotiate them. Boys will be boys.
You think I could jump across and make it?
No.
Oh, I think she can.
Oh,
Here she goes. This is going on YouTube. No matter what.
I really don't want you to break your ankle.
Don't try to show off.
Why would you say that?
Oh.
No, I'm gonna break my ankle. I don't feel like I have enough speed to.
Oh my gosh. Or you could just walk across it and be safe. Instead of me having to haul you out of here. Whoa! All right, let's see what River does. What's she gonna do? Deal? There you go.
I already know.
1, 2, 3. Good. What happened? Oh no.
On this gravel.
Man, it's a barrel.
It's very sketchy. We're being surrounded.
He's very shifty.
Oh yeah. It's a very squatchy area. They'll use the sun, hide in the shadows.